Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Whubefy Mini Heat Press Machine. There are features include Precision 4-mode heating system. Our mini heat press offers 4 temperature ranges from 55 degrees Celsius to 215 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for various materials and transfer types. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or need high heat for stubborn transfers, this machine has you covered. User-friendly LED display. Easily monitor and adjust temperature settings with the clear, built-in LED screen. This feature ensures precise heat control, allowing you to achieve optimal results on different materials every time. Comprehensive accessory kit. This package includes the Whubefy Mini Heat Press Machine, a durable storage bag, 2 DTF, direct-to-film, transfer papers, an elegant gift box, and a detailed user manual. Everything you need to start your heat press projects right out of the box. Compact and portable design. Perfect for small-scale projects and limited workspaces, this mini heat press is ideal for crafting on the go or in tight areas. Its lightweight yet powerful design makes it versatile for various applications without compromising on performance. Versatile application. Suitable for t-shirts, bags, hats, and more, this mini heat press is compatible with various heat transfer materials. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, create professional-looking designs with ease on a wide range of items. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.